Hi students, in the last class we discussed arithmetic mean. There are two methods to find arithmetic mean. One is direct method and second one is assumed mean method. Direct method, x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Assumed mean method, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi, where a is equal to assumed mean. We solved two questions. Two more questions we can solve now. Here the first question it is, the arithmetic mean of the following frequency distribution is 50. Find the value of p. P means one unknown variable is there, p. Class is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Frequency is given as 17, p, 32, 24 and 90. Here one value is missing, that is p. We have to find the value of p. Using this arithmetic mean is given as 50. So we can apply x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi di by sigma fi. Using this formula we can find out the value of p. Okay, we can solve this. We can solve this question. Class 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Xi we can find first. What is xi? It is the class mark. 0 and 20 we are adding, dividing by 2. That is 10. So what will be the next one? First find the class width. That you have to add with this one. So class width is 20. 20 you have to add, then it becomes 30, become 70, 50, 70 and 90. Okay, fi it is given as 17, p and three more values are 32, 24 and 40. These are the fi. Okay, what is di? We have to assume one mean. Most probably we are taking it as in mid value. Here this is the mid value is 50. This is our a. Now xi minus a is 10 minus 50. It is minus 40. That we can write here minus 40. 30 minus 50 minus 20. 50 minus 50 it is 0. 70 minus 50 20. 90 minus 50 that is 40. Okay. Now next step is fi di. Multiply this. 17 into 4. 17 into 4. 68. So minus 680. Here minus 20 into p, that we can write minus 20p itself. Its a value we don't know. So we are writing minus 20p. 0 into 32. 0 itself. 24 into 20. That is 480. 40 into 40. It is not 40 here, 19. Sorry, this value is 19. So 40 into 19. 760. Okay. There are two negative values and two positive values. First we can add the negative values, but one is with the variable. This we cannot add. So first you add this two. 760 plus 480. 1214 and subtract 680. 0, 4, sorry 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. So it is big number is positive and this one is negative. So the answer is positive 560. And one more term is there, that is minus 20p. What is sigma fi? Sigma fi it is given. You have to add all these frequencies. Look here, 17, 32, variable you have to keep like this, 32 and 24, 19, 9, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 92. Okay, so 92 plus P also there. This P we have to write like this. This is the total Fi and this is the total Fi di. Clear? How we can find it? P value just keep there itself. After last addition you have to write the getting answer and P value. Here also total we are adding, we got it as 92 and one more term is that P. After this you have to apply the formula x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. Okay. What is x bar? That is given in our question, it is 50. Our assumed mean also 50 itself. Plus sigma Fi di 560 minus 20p whole divided by 92 plus p. Okay. Now how we can solve this? First just transpose right side 50 on the left side. So this become 50 minus 50 and right side terms are 560 minus 20p whole divided by 92 plus p. It is right side term. What is 50 minus 50? 0 itself. So 0 is equal to 560 minus 20p whole divided by 92 plus p. Now just cross multiply. 0 into 92, p is equal to 0 itself. So the answer is 0 is equal to 560 minus 20p. Clear that how this 0 came? This denominator we are cross multiply with the left side. So 0 into 92 plus p is 0 itself. Now just transpose this 20p on the left side. So positive 20p is equal to 560 and p is equal to 560 divided by 20. 1 0 0 cancel. 56 by 2. What is 56 by 2? 28. 28. So the value of p is equal to 28. Okay, clear this one? I want to repeat once again. So very important term it is this one, P. What is the unknown variable there? That multiply with that di, keep like this. Okay. One constant and variable will be there. Addition time also, all the constant term you have to add and subtract. Last unknown variable you have to keep there. After that, apply the formula x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi and solve. Okay, you can use direct method also, but the terms are very small, means you can use direct method. Otherwise, you can solve by using this assumed mean method. I think it is clear. Okay. Our next topic it is mode. This also we learned in last year. What is mode? We learned it is a mode repeating number. Okay. But this year we are studying the extension of last year's. That is, if it is the frequency distribution table is given, how we can find the mode? Okay. That is by using one formula. That formula I am writing now. First you have to know about the table. Suppose the table is given as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. One table, simple one table I am giving like this. I am writing it is 0 to 10. Suppose out of 50 the students mark I am giving. 0 to 10. How many students got? 2 students. Here 4 and it is 8 students. Here 20 students they got. 30 to 40. Here only 1. Okay. We have to find the mode of this frequency distribution. Okay. So what we will do? Here you have to take one formula that is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. Into H. Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This whole into H. You have to learn it by heart. Now I will explain what is L, F1, F0, everything I will explain. L is the maximum frequency. In which class it is coming? That class lower limit it is. Lower limit of the maximum frequency class interval. That maximum frequency class interval is called model class. So this is the model class. Here 20 maximum it is coming 20. Highest value we are finding. It's a class we are taking. That class is called the model class. Okay. 30 to 40 is the model class here. Its lower limit is the L. L is the lower limit of model class. Of the model class. Clear? Lower limit of the model class. Now L here it is 30. First find the model class. How we are finding the model class? The maximum frequency or highest value among this frequency. That frequencies class interval we are selecting. That class is called the model class. Its lower limit we are taking as L. Clear? Now what is F1 and F0? The frequency of this model class is called F1. Frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class is called F1. Clear? So what is F0? F0 is the frequency of the preceding class to the model class. Means just above the model class. Above the frequency of the model class is called F0. Here this is F0 and this is F1. Here F0 is the frequency of the preceding class of model class. It's a frequency, we are saying it as F1. So what will be F2? Succeeding of the model class. Frequency of succeeding model class. Okay. Succeeding the model class is F2. F1, first you have to find out F1. That is the maximum frequency. Its class is the model class. Its lower limit is, we are taking L. So L is the lower limit of the model class. F1 is the maximum frequency. F0 is the frequency just above the model class or just above the F1. And F2 is the just below of F1. That is F2. It is in the order. Just you remember like this is 0, 1, 2. F0, F1 and F2. It is in the order. Okay. After that you have to apply there. And what is H? H is the class width. After that you have to apply all the values here and solve the question. You will get the answer. Mod is equal to. Okay. Through the example it will clear. Okay. We can do one question. Now we can solve one question. That is, find the mode of the following data. Age in years 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55 and 55 to 65. Number of patients 6, 11, 21, 23 and 40 and one more number is there 5. Then we can solve this question. Here we have to find the mode. First you have to select the model class. So which is the model class here? That is, we have to find out which is the maximum frequency. 6, 11, 21, 23 and 45. So 23 is the maximum frequency. So its class we can say it as model class. So this is F1. It is F1. F0 and 14 is F2. F0, F1 and F2. In question itself I am writing all this. So we can write first what is L. Lower limit is 35. What is F0? 21. F1 23. F2 14. And what is H? One more value we have to write. What is H? The class width 15 minus 5. It is 10. Clear all these values? Now we can apply the formula. Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. This into H. Okay, apply the values. 35 plus F1 is 23 minus F0 is 21 whole divided by 2 into F1 23 minus F0 is 21, F2 14. This value into H. H is 10 here. Okay, we can simplify now. 35 plus 21 minus 2, 21 minus 20, sorry, 23 minus 21, that is 2 itself, divided by 2 into 23, 46. Both are negative numbers, 21 and 14, 35 into H is 10. Or we can write it as 35 plus 20 divided by 2 into 10 is 20. 46 minus 35. 6 minus 5, 1. And 4 minus 3, 1. So 20 divided by 11. We can simplify. 20 by 11. So first 1 time 11, 9, 8, 88 and 2. It is going on. So we can take only after decimal 1 digit. So the last term we can write it as 35 plus 1.8. So we can write it as 36.8. This is the age in years. 36.8 years. Okay. That is the mode of this data. 36.8. If you know this formula means it is very simple. Just apply the value. But you want to know about what is L, what is F0 and what is F1 and what is F2 and H. Then you can apply the formula. L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This you have to learn it by heart. Okay. After that, the simplification. Very important one. First you have to do this numerator subtraction, or here always it is subtraction. Negative number coming means it is, here it is plus number only coming. Okay, first here 23 minus 21 is the question, so we will get it 2 itself. After that, this term, first you multiply these two numbers, after that you have to subtract. Okay, 46 minus 35 into 10. Now you can multiply numerator with this H, 10. So 2 into 10 is 20. After that 46 minus 35 is 11. You have to divide 20 divided by 11. That fraction you have to find out the answer in decimal form. After that you have to add this with the lower limit 35. Okay, this addition is doing on the last step. Clear? One more question we can do. This is our second question. Find the mode of the following data. Actually, this data is the lifetime of 225 electric components. Lifetime, it is given in hours. 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. And frequency is given as 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 100 to 20 it is 29. Okay, one more column is there. Here we have to find the mode of the lifetime. So okay, what we will do first? We have to find out the model class. Which is the maximum frequency here? 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. Which is maximum? 61. So 61 we are selecting this as the model class. So model class, if you need, means you can write like this also. Model class is equal to 60 to 80. Then lower limit is 60. And this itself F1, this is F0, this is F2. So we can write F1 61, F0 52 and F2 is equal to 38. H is equal to, what is H? The class width 20. Okay, L is the lower limit of the model class. Model class is 60 to 80. L is equal to 60. It's the lower limit. F1 is the frequency, the maximum frequency, that is 61. F0 is just above the maximum frequency, it is 52. F2 is after the maximum frequency, that is 38. And H is 20, that is class width. Now we can apply the formula. Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. Now substituting the value 60 plus F1, it is 61 minus F0 52 whole divided by 2 into 61 minus F0 is 52, F2 is 38 into H. H is 20. That is 60 plus 61 minus 52. 61 minus 52 we have to find out. That is 9 divided by 2 into 61. 122. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 6 is 12. Minus, we can add this 52 and 38. 90. Into H is 20. Okay. That is 60 plus 9 into 20 we can do first. After that you can subtract 122 minus 90. That is 232. Okay. 32. That is 60 plus 180. Better from here itself we can cancel. See, 9 into lowest form we can find out, that is easy. 9 into 20 divided by 32. With 4 we can divide 20 and 32. With 4, 5 times and here 8 times. 8 4s are 32. So now we can add. Multiply 9 into 5, it is 45 and divide by 8. Okay. Cancellation clear? Okay. Now 45 divided by 8. 5 times 40, then 5.6, 48, 2, then 20, 2, 16, again 4, 45. So 5 point, this is equal to 60 plus 5.625. This division you have to do alone. 625 you will get. Okay. Now adding these two terms, we will get the last answer as 65.625. This is the last answer. Okay. And this much hours we are taking. Last answer, this much hours you have to write. I'm writing here the last answer, 65.625 hours. That is the mode of this given data. Clear? One more time repeating. It is first you have to find the model class. Maximum frequencies class is the model class. Its lower limit is L. F1 is the maximum frequency. F0 just above it, that is 52. After f1 is f2, 38. And find the class width, that is h. Mod is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Study this formula and apply the values. Solve. First you have to subtract on the you have to solve the numerator itself, and denominator you have to solve like this. First add these two numbers and subtract from the first number. You will get like this answer. If cancellation is there, means you have to cancel, otherwise you have to multiply 9 into 20, 180 divided by 32, then also you will get the same answer. This is the lowest form we are finding, and dividing, last we are finding the answer in this way. Okay, model is also very simple topic. Okay, what we learned today, that is finding one missing frequency using mean. And another one concept we learned, it is mode. Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 whole into h. Okay, study well all this practice. Okay, thank you students.